Boom shakalaka, September is always a red month for Bitcoin. Why a lot of people are in for a very big surprise. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randy here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including September always being a terrible month for Bitcoin and why many people are likely in for the surprise of their life. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 40, up a little bit from yesterday, but down overall from last week when we had that little pump. The overall market sideways. Bitcoin at 25,895, Ethereum at 1632, BNB at 214, XRP 50 cents, Cardano 25 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Solana $19, and Tron 7 cents. And Bitcoin sitting in this wedge right here on the lower end of it, above this $25,000 support level that Bitcoin has encountered many times before, continuing to go sideways. First week of October would be the breakout of this wedge, Rocktober. So most of September, most likely just going to continue sideways in this territory. And if we take a look historically, September is shaded in these blue areas. Historically, Septembers are pretty terrible for Bitcoin. They don't do very well. And if we take a look at just the numbers, overall, the worst month ever for Bitcoin is September. Now, a lot of people know that September is the worst month for Bitcoin. A lot of people are going to be betting against it. Well, that would be too easy. Don't be surprised if many people are left on the sidelines when Bitcoin fires a green candle from here. We'll go into why later on in the episode if you stay tuned. Now, right now, it does appear like we are in the disbelief. This is a sucker's rally phase of the psychology of a market cycle, breaking out from the trend line. Everybody is like, that's it, it's over, forget it, bear market's over, or bull market's over, bear market has begun. And maybe they have some reason. If we take a look right now, Bitcoin's 4-year compound annual growth rate is pretty much the lowest it's ever been, down at 28%. Now, for a long time, Bitcoin was roughly 100% year-on-year growth. For the past couple of years, it has been absolutely abysmal. And a lot of people are betting against it. As a matter of fact, short-term holders have capitulated roughly 20,000 Bitcoin sent to exchanges at a loss. Fourth highest amount this year, continued to add to the record divergence between long-term holder and short-term holder supply. Now, if we take a look here, take a look what happens after these spikes in the short-term holder capitulation. I don't know if you see it, but the price does go up afterwards. So far, we have some capitulation without the price going up. Could that be in the cards? Well, if we take a look at the short-term holder deviation model, this is an interesting chart that tells you about roughly Bitcoin 60% of the days stay in this green territory where we have 32% above it and we have 8% below it. So what does that say? 8% chance out of 100 that Bitcoin would go the $16,000 to $21,000 range. There is a 32% chance, 1/3 chance that we would go above roughly $30,000 to $50,000. Stay tuned to later in the episode. And roughly a 60% chance or 2/3 chance that we would just continue sideways in this area where we've been going $21,000 to $31,000 for Bitcoin. But we've been talking recently about the Bitcoin Bollinger Band's squeeze, and you can see here bouncing off of the bottom of the Bollinger Band. Pretty much every time Bitcoin encounters the bottom of the Bollinger Band, it doesn't break through there. It bounces off and gets at least to the midline, sometimes even to the very top line. The midline right now, 28, the top line at $32,000. Now, a lot of people right now have turned pretty bearish on the market. They're calling for 20,000, 12,000, 9,000. Vast majority of crypto Twitter agrees that September will be a red month, but that's not what the money flow index suggests. This here is suggesting price would continue upwards from where we are. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin primary bear is calling for new lows while Bitcoin remains in accumulation phase within its historic buying zone. This is not the time to sell. This is the time to buy. You sell when it gets towards the top. You buy when it is down at the bottom. Now, right now, we just do have a consolidation bull flag. Take a look at this 2011 bull flag. Boom, taken off after that. How about the 2015 bull flag? Or the 2019 bull flag? Or how about the 2023 bull flag? Consolidation down before a continuation up and to the right. Because if we take a look right now, we have left shoulder, head, right shoulders, and this head, inverted head and shoulders right now has a target of $42,000 in the near future. Everyone betting on a bad September might be in for a very, very big surprise. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.